Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2022 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter EcoBoost engine and has all-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a dual exhaust, as well as that nice backup camera right there. And moving to the front, we do have that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the interior, we can see here we have plenty of cargo space, a 12-volt outlet there, little hooks all around the back, and lifting this up, you do have that nice spare tire with additional storage, which is also nice. And of course, if you need more, you can always fold down that middle row for some extra space. Taking a look on the interior, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice textured gray cloth interior with some black accents. We do have a USB and a USB-C back here. Plenty of door space as well. And you can move the seats with these. And the nice little bar here. And this does collapse the seats like that, allowing you to have extra room. Taking a look on the driver's side, now we can see the seats are manual with the same textured gray cloth interior and black cloth as well. We have our light functions right here, which is pretty handy, and plenty of door space as well. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 78,746 kilometers. Taking a look at your steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your toggle for your menu up there. Voice, phone, and media controls, volume and mute, as well as your cruise controls right there. Now, looking at your main menu here, you do have your oil life, phones, radio, driving assist, my view, which you can set up however you please, calm screen, trip 1, information about the vehicle, and so on and so forth. We also have our gear shift right there, 2 cup holders, a fair bit of storage there with the USB and a USB-C, and a 12-volt outlet right there, your parking brakes right there, as well as your drive modes in auto stop and auto start. With your drive mode, they're right here, nice, being normal, come on, eco, sport, slippery, and deep sand and snow. Now continuing our look over here, we do have 2 heated front seats, dual climate, your hazards are right there, and your volume and media controls there. We do have a nice leather-wrapped center console, which also has plenty of space for whatever you need. And looking at your main screen here, you can set up however you please, but we do have what station we're currently on, a compass, and what phone's connected. We do have audio, such as Sirius XM, and so on and so forth, and what phones have been connected, any apps you have downloaded, settings such as phone, Ford Pass, Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and so on and so forth. And you also have storage right there as well, which is pretty handy. The stock number for this vehicle is B7586, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.